Hey guys, so today I'm here with a Colourpop haul and I ordered some things online. I'm super excited. I haven't ordered from Colourpop in such a long time and there was a lot of things that I wanted to try. They had the new spring butterfly collection out and I was watching the swatches on the Colourpop YouTube channel and there were just so many colors that spoke to me and I was like, I want to try those so bad. And I've been watching a lot of reviews and hearing a lot of people talk about a lot of the new products that I picked up, like the Luxe lipsticks. I've heard those are amazing, and some of the eyeshadow palettes that I've been wanting to try for a long time, so I finally bit the bullet and decided to pick it up. The thing that always makes me nervous about ordering from Colourpop is getting hit with customs, because that's happened to me twice when me and Samantha ordered a couple times and we got customs each time. So yeah, it always kind of holds me back from ordering because sometimes customs is like the price of everything that you picked up and that always sucks. This time I didn't get hit with customs, which is really lucky, and I managed to pick up a lot of things that I've been wanting to try for quite some time. So when we get in here, we have the super cute postcard. I love these so much. It says, "You're my bestie, XOXO Colourpop." I remember, I think the last time I ordered, they were still signing them by hand, which is wild. This one's obviously printed, but still super cute. So I guess the first thing that I'll show you guys is, I guess I'll start with the new collection stuff that I picked up, because that's super exciting. So they had the spring butterfly collection and they had so many gorgeous things. There was a couple other things that I really wanted to pick up, but I stopped myself, like the blush and highlighting palette. They look stunning. But I picked up quite a few of the lipsticks from the collection. Here we go. So I picked up 4. One is in a regular box because I guess they ran out of the really gorgeous limited edition packaging, which I can't get over. Like, the graphic designer must have spent so much time drawing and coloring these. It just looks so stunning. So I'll talk about the Luxe lipsticks first. So the first one that I have is what I'm wearing today, and that is Tiptoe. And this is a really cool kind of, it's really hard to explain. It's a nude shade. And I was nervous that I might not like it, but I wanted to try it so bad. But yeah, it's like a very light pinky nude, and like in my eyes, it kind of has a tinge of gray, but I don't know, or like brown. I don't know if that's just me, but it looked stunning on the girl from the Colourpop YouTube channel, and I feel like we kind of have similar skin tones, so I picked this up because of her. And I'm so glad I did because I really love the color. Then I also have Afterglow, and these are all mainly recommendations from the girl in the Colourpop YouTube video. When they were doing the swatches, like, she was talking about, oh, I love that one and that one's my favorite, and like, so far I'm loving everything she recommended. So this is kind of like a berry purpley pink shade. I have to say, these lipsticks are so comfortable. They feel amazing on. They're very pigmented. And the packaging is just so gorgeous. The rose gold with the stars. You guys know, stars are some of my favorite things in this world. And then there's stars embossed all around the lipstick, which I just think is so gorgeous. And then I have a couple of their Lippie sticks. So Colourpop Lippie sticks, I have a few that are some of my all-time favorite lipsticks. Contempo is one of my all-time favorite shades that I ever picked up when they put out that 90s collection. Oh my gosh. All right, so here is one of the Lippie sticks that I picked up. This one is in Little Tings. Kind of similar to Contempo, I would say, but probably a little bit deeper. Still in that same color family. But I'm very excited to wear this. And then I have Sike, which is a matte, and this is a very fun warm orangey coral, and I think this shade is beautiful. It reminds me a lot of NARS Dolce Vita lipstick. Here is this one. I haven't done a haul in a while, so I'm like forgetting what I should be doing, but I definitely should be swatching, right? And here is Little Tings. This is Afterglow. And then this is Tiptoe. Love that shade so much, just so fun, and like, I don't have anything like that in my collection. So that's everything I think that I picked up from the spring collection. I wish that I would have picked up a couple more things. Like, everything is just so beautiful. But the rest of the things I picked up was from the permanent collection. So I will start with this eyeshadow palette that I'm so excited for. This is the Double Entendre eyeshadow palette, and when I was looking at it online, It kind of looked familiar to me, but then once I got it in real life, I was like, holy smokes, that is so similar to the Tartelette Toasted palette, like it's unreal. And I don't think I had seen anyone compare the two. I'm gonna flip them upside down so I don't blind you guys with the mirror. So here they are side by side. Now if you scope those out, I mean, you can see a lot of similarities in the two, which I think is pretty cool. I mean, this one was like $50 and then this is $16 US. And I don't have any thoughts on this yet. I've only tried the one shade, but when I try more, I will definitely keep you guys posted. Then I picked up a no filter concealer. I've heard Andrea Metaliano talk so much about the concealers and how much she loves it, and I really want to try it. So I picked up the shade Fair 5. I think it's the lightest one that they have, and it's normally sold out. But it is a really good match for me. I'm so stinking fair, and I've only tried the one time, so again, I don't have any review for you guys, but I will be sure to keep you posted. It just amazes me how Colourpop can put together such nice looking packaging and then keep the prices so low. It really baffles me. When I was younger, I would have been all over this. I just think that is so cool that there's an opportunity to have such amazing quality makeup for such an affordable price. I mean, back in the day, I remember my first makeup piece was like a Mary-Kate and Ashlee flip out cell phone with like 2 eyeshadows in it. One was pink and then one was blue. And I was so proud that I had that. But I think I paid like $15 and I had 2 eyeshadows and it was a flip out freaking cell phone. I wish I still had it to show you guys. So yeah, like imagine how pleased I would have been back then if I would have had the opportunity to buy something like Colourpop. All right, and then the last 2 items I have are lip products again. So I'll start with this guy. So yeah, this is one of their permanent color lipsticks in the shade Layover, and I've heard a lot of people talk about this one, so I decided to pick it up. This is a really pretty natural rosy shade. So compared to Tiptoe there, you can see it's kind of in that same color family, but it just kind of deepens up with a little bit more brown, I would say. And then last but not least, I picked up the Aquarius gloss, and this was a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. She always does such amazing jobs with her collaborations. So this is the lip gloss, such a gorgeous shade. I really wish I would have picked up the other, like the stain and then the lipstick, but I didn't. Guess I'm gonna have to make another Colourpop order. There it is right here, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it goes so well with Layover. I think Layover topped with Aquarius is gonna be amazing. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Colourpop. I had so much fun picking out all these things, and I'm so happy that I finally placed another order. So yeah, that is everything I have for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have picked up anything from Colourpop recently, and what are some of your favorite Colourpop shades and products. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at makingupashlee, and I'll be talking to you guys soon. Bye!